Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel. So, it was back to normal in Nifty. Trading was back to normal. In the first hour, from 9:15 to 10:30, 11 p.m., there was a window for trading for option buyers. Here, this was the move, down move, which gave everybody an opportunity to trade in the market. And I have pasted here the straddle chart. Here you can see the straddle premium moving higher. That means a trendy move has been achieved in the morning hour from 9:15 to till 11 a.m. So how you could have taken the trade? That first thing I have already mentioned in my previous video, that is a 5 minutes instant trend strategy. What you can do is you can see for a 180-degree circle strategy you can apply. For that, I have tweaked the Fibonacci tool. I'll show you again. I'm applying this tool because I have tweaked it to, you can see from this is 0.9, 90 degree, 0.66 and 0.261, and this is 0 degree, that is 180 degree. So let me mark the 180 degree there, and this is minus 90 degree. This is the circle. If we apply the circle, again I'm repeating it. I am taking the circle from swing to swing. Swing means that is the high of the previous day to low of the first 5-minute candle. So here, from here to here, the market tried to move higher, trapping the people. It could not go above this. And later, there was no follow through. And the first candle breaking below itself is a structural break. Structural break means this was the low, 3 lows, 4 lows, 5 lows. It engulfed all the 5 candle low. The first 5-minute candle engulfed all these first 5-minute, 5 candles lows, indicating weakness in the market. This was a push up to the market to trap the people. Probably this is such a big, huge candle. A reversal candle was presented in the market. But if you are aware of all this circle strategy, if you apply this, you will not get trapped. There was no follow through and rejection from this candle. If you divide the candle like this, circle like this, it is a rejection. If it has to go up, it should have proceeded higher from 0.66 level. Instead of that, there was a reversal. So you got an opportunity. Simultaneously, I was watching the straddle chart that is available in the tradingtick.com. It is free. You can avail it. And combining with the price action, you need to see. Otherwise, you will not understand the straddle premium chart. Straddle was increasing. That means one side, put side was increasing in the market. The market started showing directional move. And how to know the target? The target you have to define is 1:2. Or what you can do is simply, 1 minute, simply you can move this circle down like this and it's 1:2. Or you can do this, 1 minute. You can bring this, sorry, I'm not able to pick the tool. Let me pick this tool. I'm picking Yeah. Okay. No, I'm not able to pick this tool. Anyway, you can pick this tool and you can place it. 1:2 target. But the market did not give that much, or you can measure the range. What is the range of the move? Range of the move was 81 points, 80 points move. So yesterday also market throughout the day moved in a 80 points range. Let me pick this tool. And measured move you can anticipate for 80 points down move in the market. You can book your profit once this was the reference point. Reference also there. From here, the swing had started. Exactly there, it made a reversal. Reversal and traded through the time. Nothing happened. Traded through the time. This is not the area you can it is not an option buyer area. You should not go trading for option. For an option buyer, they need volatility, momentum, and directional move. Then only option buying will be profitable. So traders, remember this. Remember always this. If you get like this opportunity, then only you can trade. So even the option to straddle, see, it is when it is developing, you cannot make out the range. For that, I have made an indicator that is whether it is there. Yeah, this indicator I applied. Let me remove the drawings. You can see the indicator. I'll remove all the drawings. You can see the indicator. This is an hourly separator, which I have already posted in my community post. The script code, you can copy it and apply it to your Pine script on the trading view. See, this is an indicator. It separates hourly and it gives hourly opening price. That red line, it gives hourly opening price and it gives the range of the hour. Automatically you will come to know the range of the hour. See, you can clearly see the market was not trending up on an hourly basis. It started moving here. It was contained within the hourly ranges. Neither it could go below or neither it could expand above the hourly ranges. That means there was no momentum buying in the market or a reversal coming in the market. Market traded through the time box. Time box, this is the time box. It could not go. It was a flat thing and it started move. Finally, it closed near the low of the hourly range. Hourly range means nearly. So continuation of the trade can be, see whether this will be trapped, this range. Sometimes what they do is to seek the liquidity, the market will pop up like this and the next day, and then they take this liquidity because sellers have been induced in the market. Probably sellers might have gone long or call writers might have gone long. Those money, static liquidity will be available above this level and market may try to capture this and it may try to move down. Actually, market is, Nifty is contained within the range. The way it is closing, if you go to the daily market, this is how you can take the option trade. And for the analysis of the daily trade, let me hide this indicator. You can see the market, even though it took liquidity in this candle, this was a trap actually. Here, there was no follow through from the smart money to the upside. Even the trap was there, liquidity trap was there. There is no follow through. So if it starts breaking below this level, that is 24,677, we can start looking for down move in the market. Another level is here. Below this level, there is a plenty of liquidity in the market. Market has gone through sideways. It is still, there is lot of, only if it breaks below 24,402, then we can see a swift movement towards the downside. Until then, there may be a contained move. Contained move means within this range, 24,400 to 24,386, we can see. Or if the market comes down, that is an opportunity. If the market comes down below this level, seeking this liquidity and reverses, then there will be a explosive move towards the upside in the market. Then you can anticipate after this sweep, anticipate the higher move. So range has two. If it takes this liquidity, then you can look for an investment opportunity in the market. So leave aside. So I concentrate on the option buying. For an option buyer, you need this type of movement. So it occurred only in the first hour, 2 hours of the window, that is 2 hours of the window, it has gone sideways. The market has presented a consolidation range on the sideways. Whenever you see consolidation ranges, see, you go back to the history. I'm going back to the history of, this was on 28th. 28th also you can see the range was created from morning till evening. That was Wednesday. And on Thursday, it was a trap. You can see the market went down and finally it closed like this. This was like this, Thursday, the market expiry day. It took the liquidity above and it took the liquidity beneath. You can see there. Okay, it took the liquidity beneath, and after taking the liquidity beneath, there was a swift movement in the market. But what happened to the straddles? 24,800 straddle, it became worthless at one point of time. The call option gained. It was losing money. It became around of 0.6 rupees or 7 rupees and then rallied up to 39 to 40 rupees. Finally closing without it losing its premium. This is how. So whenever you see the ranges, the market has closed in the ranges, whether there will be a trap, you need to observe. Suppose if there is no trap, if it starts moving down, it will be a swift movement downwards to this level. This is the level you can anticipate for that. So market is poised for down move. It has consolidated 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and we can expect a explosive move downwards. The measured move 300 points from this area. That comes to 24,445 to 24,397. And if it traps this level, that is 24,465 and moves down and reverses, then market will gather momentum to trade higher. This is the analysis, over analysis. You can see the market as if you put a box over here, leaving aside the small boxes, the market has been boxed within the 3 days range. 3 days it is in the range. So the range breakdown, market direction is downwards. You can anticipate for a downward movement in the market, downward move in the market. It can even come down, and even it can come down to 24,135 to 24,200. So it may continue through days. See, after the consolidation, huge consolidation, you can anticipate for an explosive down move in the market. The direction is down. The market is unable to cross this level. It has to cross. It will cross down. That is an indication it has given in the previous day. This is my analysis. It may go wrong, but the uh, uh, a close observation of the price action will fetch you money through the time. Be cautious while trading. Be cautious while trading. When the ranges are formed, ranges are dangerous. Ranges are dangerous. Ranges are, if you closely observe, clearly observe the ranges, ranges will also give you opportunity to trade. Thank you very much, friends. Nanakshi Swami signing off.